Hey everyone, this is Kevin from KL Investment Strategies, and what I'd like to do today is just a short video on how to take profits when you've gotten into an investment that's seen a significant upside move and you've got some profits and you'd like to take some, but you're not sure when to take them. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually look at a trade that I took where I bought 500 shares of Alcoa, symbol AA, and what I want to do is show you a couple of different charts so I can show you how I actually took the profits. And on this particular chart, I actually got in right in this range of 1010, and as you can see, the next day we popped right up to 11 and continued up for the day right up above the 1140 range. So what I did was I had 500 shares, so when we got to the point where it was late in the day and it looked like the S&P futures were going to roll over, I took 150 shares off profit on that day, and then that left me with 350 shares. So then the next day on the 1 minute chart, you can see that we continued to move up, and twice we tried to break the 1165 level. So it looked like we had some pretty good resistance there, so I took another 150 off at the 1160 level. So now I'm still holding 200 shares, and this is where I want to explain how you can lock in some additional profits and at the same time allow this particular stock to continue to run. Now if we go back to the daily chart, you can see that we broke the 20 period moving average and the 50 period moving average. So what you could do on your remaining 200 shares is you could put your stop right in this level here, and so if it does pull back, your stop would be below this potential area of support. But also notice within the last few months that the stock itself had gone all the way up to almost 15. So you want to allow yourself to have that additional move up, and if it does move up, you continue to move your stop up behind this area here, or anytime it gets into any of these areas, you could take the additional profit. So that's one way that you can do it on the daily chart. You can also do it on the 15-minute chart, and as you can see, every time we came down and touched the 20 period moving average, it held that 20 as support and then continued to bounce up. So you could put a stop on, say, 100 shares in this area and then hold on to the remaining. You could even hold it all the way down to this 1010 area, which is where I got in. So if you do see a pullback, then it could still hold that 200 period moving average and then bounce right back up. So what I did was I took profits here, I took profits here, I have a stop on 100 shares here, and then I will determine what I want to do in the future based on Monday and Tuesday and see how the stock is reacting at that point. So that's how you can take some profits and also use some stop losses in case it does pull back. Till next time, this is Kevin at KL Investment Strategies.